Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you are all doing well. Welcome back to our new class. In our previous class, we learned how to select a good research topic. Today we are going to learn what a research paper is. Before conducting our own research, we first need to understand what a research paper looks like. So let's get started. First, we'll know what is a research paper. A research paper is a written document that presents the findings of a research study. In simple words, after completing a research project, researchers write everything in a structured document. This document is called research paper. Now, instead of only talking about it, let me show you a real research paper. This is real research paper. At the top we can see research title. In this research title is Digital Transformation and its Influence on Women's Economic Empowerment in Pakistan. Below the research title, we find research author's name. Next, abstract. Abstract is the short summary of this research. Then we can find introduction. After introduction, we can find literature review, methodology. Methodology discuss method that we will use to conduct a research. After methodology, it is findings and analysis section or result section. In this section, we will discuss result we will find from the research, and next discussion of the research. Then conclusion and policy recommendation. Conclusion, policy recommendation, and at the end we can see references. Now we'll know why do researchers write research papers. Researchers write research paper to share new knowledge with others. They also help solve real-world problems and contribute to science and society. Research is not just about getting a degree, it is about creating knowledge that can help people and improve our understanding of different issues. Now we know why should we read research papers. Before starting our own research, we should always read previous research papers. By reading them, we can understand what has already been studied, what methods other researchers use, and what questions are still unanswered. This helps us avoid repeating the same work and prepares us to conduct better research. For example, suppose we want to study career aspirations among university students. Before collecting any data, we should first read previous research papers on this topic. Those papers will help us understand what other researchers have already discovered and what still needs further investigation. Today we'll learn what a research paper is, what a research paper looks like, why researchers write research paper, why reading research paper is important. I hope you enjoyed today's class. In our next class, we will learn where to find research papers and the best website researchers use. Thank you for watching. See you in the next class. Happy learning.